Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 25 Circle Street, Unit 8, Rumford, Rhode Island. It's a second floor luxury studio apartment for rent. Start a video tour right when you walk in. New flooring throughout, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. To my right when you walk in, you got walk-in closet here, plenty of room for storage. Plenty of cabinet space, countertop space, dishwasher, undermount sink, electric stove, built-in microwave, large refrigerator, another closet right there. Then you got your living space, very spacious, big enough for living room in if you wanted to split off a small bedroom, you certainly could, but plenty of space here. Big mini splits on the wall, beautiful views. Bathroom here with a shower, tub, and vanity. There's laundry also on the first floor. I'd like to apply for 25 Circle Street, Unit 8, Rumford, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.